This 2025 Keystone Hideout Sport East 240BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 29 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, auxiliary battery, skylight, LP detector, refrigerator, water heater, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, smoke detector, awning, carbon monoxide detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Hideout Sport East 240BH is 4,941 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.